Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Learn Tajweed the easy way, lesson 18b, in which we will take practice of Surah An-Nas verses 1 through 4. Let's take Tajweed tip number 18. Don't hate your voice. Some people do. Don't say, my voice is not good. It is shaitan who makes you feel like that. Try your best to recite nicely. Allah will reward you for your efforts to recite with the voice that He has given you. Let's start. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. قل أعوذ برب الناس. قل, don't say khul or kul, say qul. Repeat. قل. 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 أعوذ. A should be clear. U and dhu, not zu. Okay. Repeat. أعوذ. أعوذ. أعوذ برب. Ra should be thick. So repeat. برب. 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 برب الناس. الناس. There should be gunna there. Right? Don't say الناس. Stay there. Gunna means sound from your nose and double stretch. Repeat. برب الناس. برب الناس. برب الناس. Let's take the verse. قل أعوذ برب الناس. قل أعوذ برب الناس. Don't say nas. ملك الناس إله الناس. Malik, don't stretch there. Ma or li. No, Malik. Malikin nas. Gunna at noon. Repeat. Malikin nas. Malikin nas. Malikin nas. The same for ilahin nas. Make sure you say I clearly. Don't say ila. I. Ilahin nas. And don't suppress ha. Ha should be clear. Don't say ilahin nas. No. Ilahin nas. Repeat. Ilahin nas. Ilahin nas. Ilahin nas. Let's take the next one. Min sharril waswasil khannas. Min shar. There is ikhfar. You should hide noon there. Min shar. You don't say min shar. No. Min shar. And min sharril wa. Was. Make sure you say wow clearly. Was. Was. No. Was. Repeat. Min sharril waswas. Min sharril waswas. Once again. Min sharril waswas. And the last one is al-khannas. Don't say al-khannas or ka. No. Al-khannas. Al-khannas. Again. Al-khannas. Let's take the verse. Min sharril waswasil khannas. Min sharril waswasil khannas. That's it for now. Jazakallah khair. Wassalamu alaikum. Please visit understandquran.com for our courses on Read Al-Quran, Learn Tajweed and Understand Al-Quran, and for one-to-one learning. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.